What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we've got another build for you. This time it's a 2024 Toyota Tundra. This one came in as the 1794 edition and it got the SoCo treatment. These trucks come with factory air, so this lift kit is the 3.5 inch rough country for the factory air system. You can in fact lift a lot of these trucks that do come with factory air, raising and lowering capabilities, etc. The wheels are the 20x9 gear off-road 776 in all black. There are 0 offset, so it gets pretty close to flush with the fender. Now what's crazy with these new Tundras is that you're able to fit a 35 under minimal lift. This is a 35-1250 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT, and it's going under that 3.5 inch lift. Now the interior on these 1794s is impeccable, but we had to get the outside looking not so much like your grandpa's truck with all that fake chrome. We changed out the grille to look a lot more like the trd-pro, wired up that new light bar, and then we took a lot of these chrome components, sent them off to paint as well as wrap in order to make this thing look just a little bit more modern, a little bit more sleek. But that's what we got for you today. Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video.